Back while you winning.
Yo, so we're out here. It's a different type of video. Cause usually I'm out here recording cars and I haven't recorded a lot.
Hey!
Everybody say what up. Yeah, so it's gonna be a little video. So we got Kenny out here with his 690. We'll see what he can get. Negro, you got the Raptor, right?
I think that's my little shitty.
His little pocket rocket. So he just started wheeling, so let's see what he got today. We're out here at a little discreet location. Got a couple cool stuff out here, Banshee. Yeah, these guys are kind of nice. Let's see what they got.
Oh my God.
Not bad. I need a bike, guys. It's been a while. It's been a while since I vlogged, but it's like a different. I want this to be like a little step, like a little new vlog type of thing. I've never recorded bikes. Like I've never recorded four-wheelers, dirt bikes, nothing. So
Go record, nigga.
it's starting to get popping. I'm gonna hop on the back of Kenny's bike and get a few roller shots for you guys. Holy shit! Woo! Guys, look at this shit! Woo! Kenny out there doing his thing. Whoa, that feeling is different. There's a what? There's a ride out tomorrow. You gonna be there? Yeah. Yo, you gonna be at the ride out tomorrow? All right, guys. If you guys want to see more bike stuff and like hang out with these guys a little bit more, just like the video, comment down if you want to see some more bike stuff.
Yep.